After you make yogurt yourself at home, you will never want to buy store-bought yogurt again. It is so good and it is so easy. Hi, I'm Diana and my channel is Make, Mend, Grow. Because I make things, I mend what's broken, and I grow what I can. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Alright, today we are going to make yogurt. You will need a pot, preferably one with a lid, some whole milk. You can use half a gallon or a gallon, whichever you prefer, a few tablespoons of yogurt or whey, and a thermometer. I prefer a candy thermometer because it will clip onto the side of your pot. Making your own yogurt is shockingly easy. Start, pour the milk in the pan and heat it up on medium heat. Not too hot, you don't want to burn it. Cover it and wait. You want to check on it periodically, give it a stir because you don't want the milk to burn. When it starts getting hot, you take your thermometer and put it in. As I said, it's really handy to have something that clips to the side of your pot. This whole process has to do with temperature, not with time. You want to heat the milk up so it's just below boiling, around 185 to 200. Do not boil the milk or you will not be able to make yogurt. It changes the composition. So we're at 185 degrees. So this is when we turn the heat off. Take this off the heat. And now you want to cool it to between 115 and 105. You don't want to go lower than 105, otherwise you're going to have to basically start the whole process of heating it up again. But yeah, if you want, you can use an ice bath to cool it off. But for me, if I don't feel like doing that, then I just set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes and check on it periodically. 125 degrees, almost there. Give it a good stir now and then to make sure any skin does not form. If you did burn your milk a little bit, it's okay. Just don't scrape the bottom too hard. It'll be fine. Temperature of my milk is down to just under 115 degrees, which is perfect. This means that it will not kill the little probiotic beasties from my yogurt. Now, you can use some whey or a couple of teaspoons from store-bought yogurt. It will be the last store-bought yogurt you ever get. After you try this, stir it in. And then once it's all stirred in, you cover it up. You put the covered up yogurt in the oven. Turn on the oven light. And leave it there overnight. Okay, it's the next morning. It's been about 12 hours. Want to leave this in a nice warm oven to ferment for at least 8 hours. I like to go about 12 because I like nice solid Greek yogurt. And it doesn't really look different, does it? But I can set my spoon on it. This is definitely yogurt. Now, since we have achieved yogurt, you can eat it now. It's nice, it's creamy. It is completely neutral. Now, if I wanted to make it sweet, I'd add jam and stir it up. If I wanted to make it savory, I could add it to a curry or any kind of yogurt sauce. But I like Greek style yogurt. So I'm going to strain this first. Now, if you're going to make Greek yogurt, you need a bowl, a strainer, either a very fine strainer or a regular strainer, some cheesecloth, and a ladle or big spoon to get the yogurt from your pot from your pot into, come back. Your pot. And there. And then you wait. So now we are straining the yogurt to remove the whey, which is this liquid byproduct. Don't throw the whey away because it's really useful. But the point of getting rid of the whey is it removes the bitter taste that the whey imparts from the yogurt, and it makes the product more the Greek style and more solid. How much you strain it depends on how solid you like your yogurt, and it's really a matter of personal preference, also a matter of how patient you are. So strain it as much or as little as you like, and just let it sit. Come back to it later. It's been about an hour. This is stopped dripping. So I'm going to pour this part of the yogurt in there. You can see how especially the bottom part has a different texture. It's a lot more solid, less runny than it was. Encourage the rest of that to come out. Not too worried because I have enough yogurt that it's not perfectly clean. I have enough yogurt that there will need to be another batch. I've gotten this much whey so far. So this much whey came out of this yogurt. So you can see that there's really a major texture difference here. And then we repeat the process. With some more yogurt until it's all strained. No surprise, I burnt the milk slightly. This is not a big deal, happens a lot. If you burn the milk, then just make sure you don't scrape the bottom too hard when you get the yogurt out. And if you do get a little bit of burnt milk in there, it's still not a big deal. Okay, here's what I ended up with. About 4 cups of nice neutral Greek yogurt. I can make tzatziki with this. I can put fruit jam in it to make it sweet. You can add honey. The possibilities are endless. Also got a little over 2 cups of whey. I told you not to throw this away because you can use it in all sorts of things because it is a substitute for water, milk, or buttermilk in any baked good recipe. Cookies, bread, you name it. I hope you enjoyed making Greek yogurt with me here on Make, Mend, Grow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.